something different. I'm going to be unboxing my Brother SE600 sewing and embroidery machine. I am going to be starting a new project. This is going to be my new business, and I will just be showing you what the box brings. Also, don't mind my daughter. She was excited as well, so she is right here with me. To be showing you guys the attachment that the machine brought. So I'm taking the bag off it right now. This is gonna be the embroidery add-on piece. I have to remove the regular sewing part and add this part just because I'll be doing the embroidery. If I do want to eventually sew something, then I will have to switch it back. This is a little cover that comes with the machine. You basically just put it on when you're done using it. If you want to, I will be using it just because I do have a toddler and I don't want her putting her hand where the needle is. And these are the little accessories, the small scissor, it brings tools. This little bag brings the embroidery piece that I'm going to have to switch, a couple bobbins, needles, and a little bit of everything. You will see that I had a rough time switching that piece I have in my hand. It's gonna be a little funny. I asked my husband for help. Talking about. This is the piece that I had to switch out because I have long nails. It did take quite some time to figure out how to do it, but it was pretty easy when I did figure out what I needed to do and how it was gonna go. forth. And also here you will see my husband helping me just because I was having a rough time. This little string that I'm showing you here is called bobbin. It will ask you to replace it. When it is done, you have to make sure that you loop it the right way so it's not put in incorrectly. As you can see, where I am going in and just following the arrows and the numbers on how you're supposed to put it, the machine is very easy to understand where everything goes, especially because there's a lot of labels. Now that I have turned on the machine, I am going to just test it real quick. I was a little excited, and you'll see that I am going to just open some string that I also bought. I bought it on Amazon. The box of thread that I just pulled out brings a lot of different colors. This is bobbin. You're definitely gonna need more than that, but that's what I got to start. Box, it actually brought a lot of different colors. This is a little card that tells you the name of the color and the number, and as you can see, that's how much string it brings for each color. There is more colors at the bottom of this box. I actually got it for a good price. It was around $23 if I'm not mistaken, for 40 colors. I am going to add this thread to the machine so I can just test it out. I did want to do just something random, and I'll show you how I put the string on the embroidery machine. It also has numbers and it is self-taught. You definitely can figure it out on your own. It has the directions on how to put the string in and where to loop it. The stabilizer, and I'm just gonna unscrew a little bit so the top part can come off, and I can put a little cloth or sheet in between it. This is just so the machine knows where to do the embroidery. I'm gonna do just a quick heart, and as you can see, it does stop the machine when it tells you that something's wrong. Like, it happened to me a couple times, but that's why I wanted to do this raw video, to show you that everything is going to be trial and error. When you do get the machine, it's not as easy as people make it seem when they don't explain that the thread needs to be switched. It needs to be put on right. As you can see, I'm holding it here, which you don't have to do it, but I didn't know you didn't have to. So everything it was a quick heart, as you can see, and I just wanted to say thank you for watching.